Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add solution to the mopping system on your iRobot Roomba 105. This is a combo unit, so we have vacuuming and mopping. If you're interested in the 105, the link to it will be in the video description. Now, keep in mind, for this particular style and system, we have self-empty and mopping, but there's no washing, cleaning, drying, refilling, or any of that. So to add solution to your mopping system, you're gonna add it to the water tank directly. We have these two levers here to release. It removes both the dust bin, right? And then the water tank is right there. So iRobot only approves using just water, right? So just use water for the mopping system, or if you want to use some cleaning solution, they only recommend their BravaJet liquid floor cleaner. And if you want to use that, you only use 2.5 capfuls in here. So keep that in mind, 2.5 capfuls. If you have this with an external water tank with your system, then they recommend 3 capfuls, but only 2.5 for the internal water tank. So I recommend pouring 2.5 capfuls in, then filling up the rest with water. So that'll help agitate and just disperse that solution. So you want to add the solution first, then you want to fill it up with water the rest of the way. But simple, straightforward. If you wanted to add solution, just use iRobot solution, or else you might run into warranty issues someday. So do that at your own risk.